Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to create a poll in a WhatsApp chat. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Click on a chat. Choose the specific chat where you want to create the poll. Step 3. In the text input area, you will see a link icon. Tap on it to access additional options for sharing content. Step 4. From the options that appear, select the poll icon. Enter your question for the poll and add the desired options for participants to choose from. Step 5. Once you have entered the question and options, click on the send arrow icon to send the poll in the chat. The poll will be shared with the chat members, and they can vote and provide their responses. By following these simple steps, you can easily create a poll in your WhatsApp chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.